Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials. The given question is find the remainder when x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1 upon 2. So guys, let us see how we can solve this question. The question has given us here this polynomial x to the power 3, x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2, 3x to the power 2 plus 3x plus 1. Question has given us this polynomial. Let this polynomial be px. I am just assigning px as this polynomial. X to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2 plus 3x plus 1. And question is asking us find the remainder when px is divided by x minus 1 by 2. The other polynomial that the question has given us is x minus 1 by 2. Let this polynomial be gx and we are going to find out the remainder. To find the remainder when px is divided by gx. So guys, let us follow the long division method and find out the remainder. So here we have x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2 plus 3x plus 1. Guys, we are following the long division method. Even you can apply the remainder theorem because this is a linear polynomial. We can easily apply the remainder theorem, and we can utilizing the remainder theorem, we can quickly find out the given answer or the remainder. But I am doing it using through long division method. Depending upon the marks, you can perform the answer. If the question is for 1 mark, just use the remainder theorem. If the question is for 2 marks or more than 1 marks, just follow the long division method. So here we have x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2 plus 3x plus 1, and the divisor is x minus 1 upon 2. Now here we have x to the power 3. What should I multiply to this x so that I will get x to the power 3? That means I need to multiply x to the power 2. If I multiply x to the power 2 with this x, I will get x to the power 3. Then x to the power 2 into minus 1 by 2 will become minus 1 by 2 x to the power 2. Now let us subtract it. If I subtract it, then I need to reverse the symbols here. Here it is plus, it became minus, and here it is minus, it became plus. Plus x to the power 3 minus x to the power 3, it cancels out. We are left with 0. Then 3x to the power 2 minus 1 by 2 x to the power 2. 3x to the power 2, here we are getting 3x to the power 2 minus 1 by 2 x to the power 2. Not minus, plus 1 by 2 x to the power 2. So that will be if we make the denominator equal, then here we will get 6x to the power 2 by 2 plus x to the power 2 by 2, which is 7x to the power 2 by 2. What we are getting? We are getting 7x to the power 2 by 2. So I can write this one as 7 by 2 x to the power 2 plus 3x plus 1. Now what should I multiply to this x so that I can get 7 by 2 x to the power 2? Again, the answer is very simple and very straightforward. So if I multiply plus 7 by 2x, with this x, we will get 7 by 2 x to the power 2. Let's do that one. 7 by 2 x to the power 2. 7 by 2 x into this 7 by 2 x into x is 7 by 2 x to the power 2. 7 by 2 x into minus 1 by 2. See, here it is 7 by 2 x into minus 1 by 2. That means we are getting, if we multiply 7 by 4x minus 7 by 4x, we are getting. What we are getting? Minus 7 by 4x. So I can write minus 7 by 4x. Now let us subtract it. If we subtract, the symbols will change, and this 7 by 2 x to the power 2 minus 7 by 2 x to the power 2 it cancels out, we are getting 0. And now let us solve this one and see what we are getting. Here we have 3x plus 7x by 4, or I can write 12x by 4 plus 7x by 4 is equal to 19x by 4. This is what we are getting, 19 by 4x plus 1. Now again the question comes, what should I multiply to the x so that I can get 19 by 4x? That means if I multiply 19 by 4, if I multiply 19 by 4 to this x, we will get 19 by 4x. So I am multiplying 19 by 4. So we are getting 19 by 4x, and again 19 by 4 into minus 1 by 2. So what we are getting? Minus 19 by 8. Minus 19 by 8 we are getting. Now let us solve this one further. So if we solve, what we are getting? Subtract just my 19 by 4x minus 19 by 4x, it becomes 0. Then here we have 1 plus 19 by 8, that is equal to 8 by 8 plus 19 by 8, or that is equal to 19 plus 8 is 27 by 8. So we are getting the remainder as 27 by 8. Here our calculation will stop, because as per the rule, when we get the remainder as, or when we get the remainder as less than, when we get the remainder as 0 or less than the value of the divisor, then we are stopping here. So here we got the remainder as 27 upon 8. Now we can write our concluding answer saying that, so guys, we got this as the remainder. Hence when we divide, we can say that, hence when we divide px by gx, the remainder is 27 upon 8. Guys, just you need to write something in your own words. It would have been easily solved if we would have applied the remainder theorem. Let me also show you how quickly we can solve this type of equations by applying remainder theorem. Now, if we look into the remainder theorem, just I will take some more time. Let me solve this one using the remainder theorem. Here px we have included like px is equal to x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 2 plus 3x plus 1, and gx we have considered gx as x minus 1 by 2. Now the 0 of this is x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 1 by 2. So p1 by 2, I am just utilizing the remainder theorem. p1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 3 plus 3 into 1 by 2 to the power 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1, or that is equal to 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. So we got this one. Now how to solve this easily or quickly? Let us we could see that 8 is the highest number here. Let us make this 8 as the LCM. So I can write here as 1 upon 8 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 by 8 plus 2 4s are 8. So 3 4s are 12 by 8 plus 8 by 8. Just making the denominator first same. So how? I need to multiply this 4 with 2 so that I can make this one as 8. If I am multiplying 2 to the denominator, I need to multiply 2 to the numerator. So as a result, I got 6 upon 8. Similarly, if I multiply 4 to the denominator, I should multiply 4 to the numerator. Similarly, I got 12 by 8, and similarly we got 8 by 8. Or that is equal to 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8 divided by 8. This is equal to 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 12 is 19, 19 plus 8 is 27 upon 8. This is how quickly and how easily we found out. Hope guys you understood this. We can solve this type of equations using any of the ways. Guys, still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.